Hi guys, today we're gonna taste test these flavors. Yeah, let's put them to the test. I already did a taste test of blue raspberry, but yeah. Let's not lemon lime. Let's smell it. Like, just like I remember, very nice, very smooth, not that acid. Let's try it. I like it. There's nothing bad with lemon lime. Now let's try blue raspberry. Oh, nice crack. So let's try it. Can I smell it? It's like very sweet. I don't remember that actually. Very sweet, and like it tastes just like it's like a sweet Haribo gummy. Let's try it. Tastes just like water.